So you're planning on learning drone programming? Wow, smart decision. You're diving into one of the most highly sought after digital skills of the future. Drones are revolutionizing industries from agriculture and security, delivery, filmmaking, and disaster response. Demand for drone engineers and programmers is skyrocketing both here in Nigeria and abroad. Now, what is drone programming? Drone programming is the process of writing software to control drones, making them to fly autonomously, perform specific tasks, gather data, using programming languages like Python, C++, JavaScript. You will learn how to create intelligent self-operating systems. Drones are no longer just for fun, they're transforming businesses and creating massive career opportunities for professionals like you. As a drone programmer, so many career opportunities await you. With drone programming skills, you can become a drone software engineer, develop flight control software, train drone for object recognition, drone data analyst, work with aerial mapping and geospatial informations. Security and surveillance experts program drones for monitoring agricultural drone technicians, optimize drone-based farming, freelance drone consultants, and build solutions for businesses. And guess what? You can work remotely, start your own business, and work for top organizations worldwide. Things you should learn to become an expert when it comes to drone programming. Number 1. Introduction to drones. Understanding drones, hardware, and components. 2. Python for drones. Writing scripts to control flight path. 3. Computer visions and AI. Using OpenCV to make drones see and react. 4. Sensor integrations. Work with GPS, LiDAR, and accelerometers. 5. Autonomous navigation. Making drones to fly without human control. 6. Swarm robotics. Learn how to program multiple drones to work together simultaneously. Now let's talk about where you can apply the knowledge of drone programming in real-world application. You can apply this knowledge in agriculture, security, delivery, and more. Now, why should you choose Bizmarrow Technologies? At Bizmarrow Technologies, we offer practical hands-on training on drone programming, no boring lectures. Learn by doing. You get to build real-life projects as you're learning. Also, a trainer is assigned to you for mentoring and coaching where you get 100% attention. No crowded classroom. We'll keep it a small-sized classroom so you can focus and learn by building. Our trainings are available physical and online, making sure you learn anywhere within the world. We have flexible payment plans, making world-class tech education accessible to you. We'll make you job ready for you to gain real-world experience with drone projects. And here is the best part. You don't need a degree to get started. If you have one, that's perfect. If you don't have any, that's not a problem. You can still learn drone programming as a tech skill and delve into the world of tech. Don't wait. The drone industry is booming and skilled drone programmers are in high demand. Take action today and register with us at Bizmarrow Technologies, where we offer practical hands-on training on drone programming. Our trainers are industry experts. Do not be left behind. Drone programming is one of the digital skills in high demand. See you in class. Bye.